Hi, I'm Maxxie. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Veggie salad is really a good option when you want to go light fasting or intermittent fasting, especially if you eat salads like me, only eat leafy veggies, not yams or fruit. It drastically lowers your calorie intake of this meal into nearly zero. Even if you add something into that salad, usually it won't exceed 50 kcal. But for most people, even those who are a little cautious when they eat meals, usually one meal is around 500 kcal. But it's also true that just eating a bowl of salad is usually very boring, especially when they are all leafy vegetables. Maybe you would feel good in the first day or the first 2 days, but if you want to eat like this in the long run or eat more than a meal in a day in this way, it gets difficult quite soon. So what I've seen is that most people would go buy a lot of different salad dressings to make their salad less boring. But the normal salad dressings you can buy, they are all very dense in calories. And some of them are very high in sugar, which is neither good for your physique or your overall health, and it's really bad for your skin. It makes you age faster. Okay, in this episode, I'm gonna share a method that I use to make salad dressing for myself. Okay, this is a normal portion of my salad. And as you can see, they are exclusively green leaves. And the main ingredient I use to make this dressing is this, unsweetened pure yogurt. This one I'm using is Greek yogurt, but we don't really need Greek yogurt. I'm using this one only because it's the only kind left in that supermarket. Normal unsweetened yogurt would totally work here, but Greek yogurt does taste better because it's denser by having removed the whey liquid. To dress such a plate of salad, we only need to use a small spoon of yogurt here. I think this is a little more than a teaspoon. As you can see here, it's usually around 20 grams. This is almost where all the calories in this dressing comes from. And how much is that exactly? It's only around 15.5 kcal. But if you use one of those normal salad dressings you buy in the supermarket, a normal portion like this would contain around 55 kcal. And they are almost completely sugars and oil. So let's switch them into some yogurt. The flavor I'm using the most these days is garlic and pepper. First, add in 1/8 teaspoon of table salt, and then as much as freshly ground black pepper as you like. I normally use 10 swirls. Then 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder or garlic flakes. And finally, 1/4 teaspoon of Congjiangsuan Mixture, which is a Chinese classic mixture of dry chive, dry ginger, and dry garlics. You can buy this in Chinatown, but it's very easy to mix it yourself. The ratio of the 3 ingredients is 3:1:2. This is all we need in this first dressing. Super simple and quick. Then I would drip it all over this plate of salad. This can best make sure every bite is flavorful. And the consistency of this dressing is perfect for doing this. The second flavor I make a lot recently is a Vinegary Hot dressing. The first ingredient is the same, 1/8 teaspoon of table salt. Then 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, any kind of chili that you like. And then 4 to 5 drops of balsamic vinegar. And finally 1/4 teaspoon of dry parsley, to give it a little light herby taste. And this second one is done. The final flavor I use a lot recently is a refreshing sweet and sour flavor. And the main ingredient is this. This is called Sumac, a Middle Eastern spice I fell in love in the previous month. It has a very pleasant fruity sourness like nothing I've tasted before. I really like it. If anyone watching this video hasn't tried this, try this. It's quite easy to buy them on Amazon. Okay, the dressing. This last one is even simpler than the two before. First, we add in 1 gram of apple sweetener. It's a 0-calorie sweetener with high level of sweetness. Then, 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Finally, a generous half teaspoon of sumac. And this dressing is done. It's really refreshing and pleasant. And it has this lovely purplish color. And yeah, these are the 3 flavors I use a lot these days. I like them, especially the last one. I hope you like them too. Okay, so much for today's episode. Hope you find my methods useful and enjoyable. So if you liked today's video, please don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe to my channel. This channel is all about practical fitness tips for busy people, not those who live in the gym. So if you think this is for you, please subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram where I share my fitness progress and other things in my life. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. And happy cooking. Take care.